Hello friends, welcome to our channel BC Agriculture. If you are coming to our channel for the first time, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So let's move to the video. In this video we are going to see about fundamentals of agronomy and agricultural heritage, which is lecture 2 of unit 2. So the lecture topic is chronological agricultural technology and development in India. So agriculture in India before India's independence is, we can classify them as early history before 1500 BCE and the Vedic period to post Mahajanapadas period, as well as early common era to high middle ages and late middle ages to early modern era. So colonial British era. So you must need to know that BCE is a before the common era or the before the Christian era, and CE is known as common era and or current era, and AD is the abbreviated form of Anno Domini. So you must need to remember that, which can be asked in point wise. So let's see about Indian agriculture. So Indian agriculture has been started from 9000 BCE as a result of early civilization of plants and animals in near a riverbed civilizations. So after that, the Middle Ages irrigation channels were developed and land and water management systems were developed with the aim of providing uniform growths to plants as well as feeding the animals. And while seeing what is the early history before 1500 BCE, so in 9000 BCE, wheat and barley were domesticated. You must also need to know that wheat and barley are the first crops to be cultivated by human, and from 8000 to 6000 BCE barley cultivation was found, as well as in 5000 BCE agricultural commodities become widespread in Kashmir, as well as 5000 to 4000 BCE cotton was cultivated. So you must need to understand that I was just giving the important dates and years, so you can be able to fully thorough it on my lecture notes, which is in the description. So and in 5440 BCE wild rice appeared in Balan as well as Gangan Valley regions of northern India, and as well as in 4500 BCE irrigation was developed in the Indus Valley civilizations, and 3000 BCE sophisticated irrigation and water system where the Indus Valley civilization has been developed, and artificial reservoirs like dams are included in Girnar. In 2600 BCE an early canal irrigation system was from the Circa, and 2500 BCE archaeological. So human drawn plough has been found in the Indus Valley civilization, as well as in 2000 BCE agricultural activities in agricultural rice cultivation in Kashmir and Harappa regions were found. So while coming to the Vedic period post Mahajanapadas period, which is a period of 1500 BCE to 200 CE, so jute was first cultivated in India during the Vedic periods. So as well as the trees were domesticated and worshipped like peepal and banyan, so which is came to known for its medicinal uses and also mentioned for its holistic medical system in Ayurveda, as well as some of the vital animals were survived and worshipped during these periods. So from 1000 to 500 BCE repeated reference to iron, where the iron was invented or found. So from 322 to 1185 BCE the Mauryan Empire was categorized, and soil meteorological evidence for their agricultural use was being found, as well as in 300 BCE the Greek diplomat Megasthenes, where he indicated the book in his book Indica, a provides a secular eyewitness for the account of Indian agriculture in his book Indica. So, as well as in early Common Era to High Middle Ages, which is a period of 200 to 1200 CE, where the jackfruit, coconut palm, where the plantain trees are known in agriculture, known in Indian agriculture, as well as water storage systems were designed during this period, which is a period of early Common Era and High Middle Ages. So also the spice trade was said to be developed during this period from the 320 to 550 CE. So crystallized sugar was discovered from the time of Guptas, as well as candied sugar come from India, which was the earliest reference of the which we have known, as well as in 647 CE. So Chinese have documented to mission from India that obtaining the sugar refining technologies. From the late Middle Ages to early modern era, the diffusion of Indian and Persian irrigation technologies, so which has gave rise to the economic growth of our country. So agricultural zones were broadly classified as rice cultivation zone, wheat cultivation zone and millet cultivation zones during this period, as well as rice production has been dominated in Gujarat, and wheat was dominated in north and central India during this period, as well as in 1556 to 1605 CE, land and water management was particularly strong during the period of Akbar. So, and while coming to the colonial British era from 1757 to 1947 CE, a irrigation channel was located at Suljet River. So you can able to see the image, which is the Suljet River from Rampur was captured at 1857. So Indian commercial crops like cotton, optimum and rice were made to the global market by British Raj, under the control of British Raj in India during those periods. In 1871, the government of India created Department of Revenue, Agriculture and Commerce, which is known as well as the initiative base for the initiation of agriculture in India. So in 1880, the Famine Commission report was submitted, which was the base for the inception of agricultural department in India. So, and after that in 1890, J.A. Walcher was appointed as a chemist of Royal Agricultural Society, England, which leads and as well as laid the foundation in agricultural research in India. So in 1905, establishment of Imperial Agricultural Research IARI at Pusa was initiated. So I must need to tell that you must need to know at 1905, which is an important year where the Pusa, Bihar has been initiated, which is known as Imperial Agricultural Research Institute, IARI. So in 1929, Indian Imperial Council of Agriculture Research at New Delhi, which is now termed as ICAR after independence, which is termed as ICAR, was initiated at Delhi. So, and at 1929, based on Royal Commission on Agriculture recommendations, so Imperial Council of Agriculture Research was established to conduct different comprehensive researches on crops to increase the yield, as well as in 1936, due to earthquake at Bihar, IARI was shifted to New Delhi. This place was called with the original name Pusa. So we are going to see after the Republic of India 1947 CE onwards, what are the themes. We are used to see that special programs were undertaken to improve food and cash crop supplies, As well as in 1957, all coordinated maize improvement project was initiated to exploit maize research. So as well as the 5-year plan of India was oriented to develop agricultural development in India after its independence. So Bakram Dam is completed in 1963, which is the largest dam in India. So you can able to watch the image of Bakra Dam. So in 1966, a semi-dwarf rice variety TN1 and IRA from Taiwan and Philippines are which laid a respective base for green revolution in India. So I have already told you the green revolution almost quadrupled, which increases 4 times the food production in India. So these are all some of the respective base for the green revolution. As well as in 1998, Natural Agricultural Technology Project NATP, which is strengthened the research on location specific problems. So in 2006, a National Agricultural Innovative Project was launched for end-to-end approach for solving problems. So I must need to tell you something. The fourth lecture mostly contains years, so I have just given only some of the important years in my video. So just go and check the lecture notes in description, so which can be useful for you. So download it by Google Drive link. So if you like the video, like it and share with your friends, as well as subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get the regular updates. So thanks for watching the video. Thank you.